Down 15% in the past 7 days, Lucid investors were hoping for a rebound with a Q2 earnings report. Sadly, that did not turn out to be the case. This might make you question if there really is a hope for recovery, so sit tight as we take you through the earnings report as well as recent news about Lucid and ways for the stock's recovery. But before we do that, subscribe to our channel $1 World for regular LCID stock updates. Despite Lucid's attempts to present a positive narrative about its second quarter performance, the results paint a bleak picture of a company in decline. The situation is concerning as production has outpaced actual deliveries. Moreover, Lucid is facing a substantial loss of more than $500,000 for each car it manages to sell. The company's transparency has also raised questions, as it ceased disclosing the number of reservations in 2023, likely due to a lack of significant developments on that front. Currently, Lucid holds an inventory of nearly 5,000 vehicles, steadily growing by around 800 new cars each quarter. This disparity arises from the contrast between production, 2,173 units, and deliveries, 1,404 units, in the second quarter. On August 7th, Lucid Group released its Q2 2023 financial results, confirming that it is maintaining its production target for the year and possesses sufficient funds to introduce the Gravity SUV in the upcoming year. During Q2, Lucid achieved a revenue of $150.9 million, marking a significant 55% increase compared to Q2 of the previous year. This growth was attributed to the delivery of 1,404 vehicles to customers in the quarter, a figure that closely aligned with the first quarter's performance. However, production experienced a slight decline of 6% from the first quarter, totaling 2,173 cars. Despite this, the electric vehicle startup affirmed its commitment to producing over 10,000 vehicles within the year. Notably, the first half of 2023 saw the company assembling 4,487 vehicles yet delivering only 2,810. Unfortunately, the net loss for the second quarter expanded to $764.2 million, a notable increase from the $555.3 million loss incurred in the corresponding quarter of the prior year. Both the Q2 revenue and the net loss figures fell short of market predictions. As of June 30th, 2023, Lucid reported a total liquidity of $6.25 billion. This substantial amount is anticipated to sustain the company through the commencement of production for the Lucid Gravity, set to occur in late 2024 and extended to 2025. The robust liquidity owes its presence to a $3 billion stock offering led by Lucid's principal owner, Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, or PIF, which took place in June. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Regarding Saudi Arabia, Lucid has announced that it has commenced significant shipments of vehicles to the country and has finalized the purchase agreement with the Saudi Arabian government. This deal, which was initially revealed in April 2022, involves the acquisition of 50,000 vehicles with the potential for an additional 50,000 units. Lucid's upcoming activities in the second half of the year are anticipated to be eventful, according to CEO Peter Rawlinson. He highlighted the launch of new products during this period, including the planned initiation of production for the Lucid Air Sapphire and the Lucid Air Pure rear-wheel drive. Additionally, the company is eagerly preparing for the highly awaited unveiling of their new SUV, the Lucid Gravity, which is scheduled for November. Notably, the company signed pivotal agreements to establish a long-term strategic partnership with Aston Martin, marking a significant achievement for Lucid Group's technology division. These agreements carry a substantial value exceeding $450 million. The recent reduction in prices for the Air Pure, Air Touring, and Air Grand Touring models has been cited by Lucid as a move to potentially augment sales. Lucid is also optimistic about the sales boost that will accompany the launch of the new Air trims, such as the Air Pure RWD and Air Sapphire. Additionally, the commencement of shipping partially assembled vehicle kits to its plant in Saudi Arabia is expected to further stimulate sales. During the earnings call, Rawlinson mentioned Lucid's willingness to make further price adjustments to bolster sales, a shift in strategy compared to the earlier part of the year. He underscored the importance of adapting to market conditions and highlighted the company's focus on putting their products into the hands of customers, which he considers a powerful marketing tool. Rawlinson also conveyed his priority of addressing the current limitations on the ability to sell cars, as reported to Reuters. Now let's see how the Lucid stock is performing in the market. As of August 7th, 2023, the current trading price of LCID stock stands at $6.41. The stock experienced a fluctuation between a day's high of $6.71 and a day's low of $6.18. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $19.71 and a low of $5.46. The stock opened at $6.62 and closed at $6.41 with a trading volume of 56,650,144 shares. The market capitalization of Lucid Group is currently valued at $1.83 billion. Notably, LCID stock is currently down by 4.24% on the given day. The stock has been on a downward trajectory in recent months, marking a decline of over 70% year to date. This decrease can be attributed in part to the broader sell-off in growth stocks and concerns surrounding the company's production ramp-up and the ongoing chip shortage. Despite the prevailing negative market sentiment, Lucid shares showed resilience in pre-market trading on Tuesday, displaying an upward trend. During the second quarter, the luxury electric vehicle manufacturer reported a revenue of $151 million, falling short of the consensus forecast of $175.01 million. The loss per share for the quarter amounted to 40 cents, missing the consensus estimate of 33 cents. However, the optimism surrounding the company appears to stem from its decision to maintain its production guidance to 10,000 units. Up until the first half of the year, Lucid managed to deliver 2,810 electric vehicles while producing 4,487 units. Lucid also revealed a robust liquidity position of $6.25 billion, which is projected to sustain the company's operations until 2025 without the necessity for additional capital. The company remains steadfast in its plans, reaffirming its timeline for launching its inaugural SUV, the Gravity, in November. In pre-market trading on Tuesday, Lucid shares demonstrated a 3.90% increase, reaching a price of $6.66. As we already know, by the conclusion of the second quarter, Lucid had amassed approximately $6.25 billion in total liquidity, a financial reservoir expected to suffice for the company's operations until the year 2025. Peter Rawlinson, CEO and CTO of Lucid, expressed optimism about the company's trajectory, stating, "We're progressing as planned to achieve our production goal of over 10,000 vehicles in 2023. However, we recognize the need to expand our customer base. Throughout the second quarter, we marked significant milestones, among them the establishment of agreements for a long-term strategic partnership with Aston Martin. This collaboration, secured through a competitive process, serves as an endorsement of our acclaimed technology and represents the maiden partnership for Lucid Group's technology division." Rawlinson further shared his enthusiasm for the upcoming product launches slated for the latter part of the year. He revealed, "We eagerly anticipate the introduction of exciting new products in the latter half of this year. These include the scheduled commencement of production for the Lucid Air Sapphire and the Lucid Air Pure Rear-Wheel Drive. Moreover, we are anxiously awaiting the highly anticipated unveiling of our newest SUV, the Lucid Gravity, set to be revealed in November." Sherry House, Lucid's CFO, emphasized the company's recent financial activities, including a capital injection of $3 billion during the second quarter, of which $1.8 billion originated from the Public Investment Fund, or PIF. She conveyed her contentment by stating, "I am pleased to inform that our current liquidity, standing at $6.25 billion, is anticipated to sustain us through the initiation of production for the Lucid Gravity and extend into 2025. House also highlighted the ongoing efforts to bolster the company's marketing endeavors within the luxury and premium segment, leading to heightened brand recognition. This awareness is expected to be leveraged through the launch of Lucid's latest pricing strategy. Remember that this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions." That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel $1 World for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.